Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by opening your editor and creating the minimal files you need: index, HTML, and script, JS. Once done, link the script right before /body so the DOM loads first. Now add a basic button ID equals my btn click / button in the HTML body. This gives you a hook. Save both files and open index. HTML in your browser. Make sure to use the console for quick feedback. It speeds debugging and confirms your code runs. Now you wire behavior. In script, JS, select the element with document. Get element by ID and store it in a const. Next, attach an event listener for click and point it to a handler function. Inside that handler, update the DOM or run logic, for example, toggle a CSS class or change text content. Because events bubble, you can also delegate from a parent if you have many buttons. Once the handler runs, check console. Log statements to trace values and verify event firing. To finish, test the button end to end. Click it, watch the UI change, and confirm network or async actions complete. If something fails, first open DevTools and use console. Log and breakpoints to inspect variables and execution flow. This reveals common errors. Make sure your script file is loaded after the HTML element, verify ID match exactly, and look for typos. JavaScript is case-sensitive. If behavior differs in one browser, compare feature support or polyfills, and then iterate until.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.